Hi, welcome to Sparkle Memories, a place we can develop healthy relationship with food pairs and yourself. Today we're going to make some crab cakes. Here are the ingredients to get started. We starting from the left to the right. We have the stovetop breadcrumbs I have made beforehand, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow onions, Kerrygold Irish butter. We're actually going to use 1 egg from that, 1 stick for the Philadelphia cream cheese, lemon juice, olive oil, real mayonnaise. I'm using the claw of the crab. Next time you try the lump crab, but we're trying the claw of the crab today to make our crab cakes. Then, of course, we have Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, Dijon mustard, the coarse kind, Worcestershire sauce. So let's go ahead and get started. So all the ingredients in front of you. Once you open the can, it will look something like this. Remember, we're using a claw. You look at it, just take it out, and it just ram it in a can, apparently. So over here, I have the onions, the bell peppers, and the garlic chopped up. Even though we're using the powder, I also like to use the fresh ones. And once you get in a bowl, I already separate them, piece them up, because some of it be kind of clumpy. And I'm going with my lemon juice because the smell of it is very strong. So I pour a ginger out. I think I went over the bowl like twice with my lemon juice. I'm going in with my seasoning now. Garlic powder. I put on like about 2 layers of it. Just sprinkle it on. But you do according to what you like. I know I like my food with a lot of flavor once I get into it. Onion powder. I put on about 2 layers of that too. Just put it on there. Don't overthink it because I don't really do a lot of measuring when it comes to these kind of recipes. This is my grill mix. That is the roasted herb and spice one. It has herbs in there. It is really good. Parsley flakes. Put a generous amount in there. Also placed in some thyme. Now I'm going to go in there with my Parmesan cheese. I didn't do 2 layers. I probably did like 1 good layer of the cheese. Because, you know, breadcrumb already got so much flavor. And the cheese adds the salt, you know, so I don't have to directly add salt to it. It's already in the mixtures I'm putting in. So that's the Dijon mustard going in. I would say a little bit more, like a little bit more than 2 teaspoons, but not exactly 2 tablespoons. More 2 teaspoons and a half, I would say, of Dijon mustard. Now I'm going in with my breadcrumbs. They were just falling everywhere. I was trying to scoop it out. It was just falling. So I just had to grab them up and then store it in a bowl. Sometimes that happens when you're trying to get things done and things are going not quite as planned. So you just have to just work with it and keep moving. This is what I'm doing here with these breadcrumbs. I'm just at a point, I'm just throwing it in the bowl. Like, look, let's go in there. Okay, I ain't got time for all this extra stuff. At this point, I add in my onions, my bell peppers, my garlic. You saw my cutting board. I'm going to go ahead and add it now. And then I go in with my Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to show you exactly how much I put in mine because a little bit goes a long way. You really don't want to overdo it with this. At this point, all we're going to do is start forming them like you see here. And then we're going to put it in this pan that I have my Kerrygold butter. And we're going to smash it down a little bit and golden brown on both sides. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is my way of making my crab cakes. But I use the claw, not the lumpy crab. Till next time. Bye-bye.